Hey everyone, today we're covering proxies for mobile gaming in PUBG Mobile, Free Fire, and Mobile Legends. Mobile gaming dominates the Southeast Asian market. PUBG Mobile, Free Fire, and Mobile Legends, bang bang, collectively boast hundreds of millions of active players in the region, with esports scenes that rival PC gaming in popularity and prize money. For these players, connection quality directly impacts competitive performance, and proxies can be the difference between winning and losing. Southeast Asia is the world's most vibrant mobile gaming market. Most SEA users access the internet primarily through smartphones. Competitive telecom markets keep mobile data prices low, and mobile games serve as social platforms where friends connect. Mobile esports tournaments offer significant prize pools. The three games in this guide are PUBG Mobile, also known as BGMI, a battle royale with tactical gameplay, Free Fire or Free Fire Max, a lighter battle royale optimized for lower-end devices, and Mobile Legends Bang Bang MLBB, a MOBA that dominates the SEA esports scene. Mobile networks in SEA can have inconsistent routing to game servers. A proxy can provide a more direct route, reducing ping by 20 to 50 milliseconds in many cases. This improvement is especially noticeable during peak hours when mobile networks are congested. Further model changes and them closely integrated. Is room servered in multiple regions. Players might want to access different servers to play with friends in other countries, find faster matchmaking queues, practice against different player pools, or participate in region-specific events. Content creators, esports organizations, and developers often manage multiple accounts. Proxies provide unique IPs for each account, reducing the risk of linked account bans. Mobile carriers throttle gaming traffic during peak hours. A proxy connection can bypass this throttling by disguising the traffic type. On Android, the simplest method is through your Wi-Fi proxy settings. Go to Settings, then Wi-Fi, long press your connected network. Select Modify Network. Expand Advanced Options. Set Proxy to Manual. Enter your proxy host and port. Enter authentication credentials if prompted. Then save. For SOCKS 5 support and cellular network compatibility, install a SOCKS 5 proxy app such as Droney, SOCKS Droid, or Postern. Add your proxy details including the server address, port, SOCKS F5 protocol, and username and password. Then enable the connection. The app creates a local VPN tunnel that routes traffic through your proxy. You can also tether through a proxy-configured computer, set up a proxy on your computer, share its internet connection as a Wi-Fi hotspot, and connect your phone to that hotspot. All phone traffic will route through the computer's proxy. On iOS, go to Settings, then Wi-Fi. Tap the info icon next to your connected network. Scroll to HTTP proxy. Select Configure Proxy, then Manual, and enter the server, port, and authentication details. Alternatively, download a proxy configuration profile from your proxy provider and install it through Settings, then General, then Profiles, which configures system-wide proxy settings. You can also install a SOCKS 5 client app like Shadow SOCKS. Configure it with your proxy details and enable the connection before launching your game. PUBG Mobile operates servers in several key regions: Asia, Singapore, Mumbai, Tokyo, Seoul. For the best PUBG Mobile experience through a proxy, choose a proxy near the game server. For SEA players, a Singapore mobile proxy provides the best latency to the main SEA server. Use SOCKS 5 protocol. Since PUBG Mobile uses UDP for real-time gameplay, and SOCKS 5 supports UDP connections. Enable sticky sessions to maintain the same IP throughout your gaming session, and avoid disconnections, and close background apps to free up bandwidth for the game. Use the repair function in PUBG Mobile settings if you experience connectivity issues after configuring a proxy. Test in training mode before entering competitive matches. Monitor your ping with the in-game meter. And if you are using a proxy to access a different region, manually select the matching server in the region selection screen. PUBG Mobile's anti-cheat system monitors for suspicious behavior, but does not specifically target proxy usage. Avoid switching proxy locations mid-game. Do not use proxies with modified game clients, and mobile proxies from legitimate carriers will not trigger anti-cheat flags. Free Fire operates servers optimized for lower bandwidth connections, making it particularly proxy-friendly. SEA servers are in Singapore, Thailand, Indonesia, Vietnam, and the Philippines. South Asia uses India servers, Latin America uses Brazil servers, and Europe and CIS use European servers. Mobile peak that union for craft heaver models of pioneer enterprises. Table captain African is Tichian. Both lockcheese Thai, Garwin Lake your chains run. Meaning it has lower bandwidth requirements with less overhead from proxy routing, is more tolerant of slightly higher latency, and uses simpler network protocols that work well with SOCKS 5 proxies. To set up a proxy for Free Fire, install a mobile proxy app on your device, connect to a proxy in your target region, and launch Free Fire. The game should connect to servers matching your proxy location. If it connects to the wrong server, try clearing the game cache and restarting. Free Fire is popular among content creators who manage multiple accounts. Use a different proxy IP for each account. Log out completely before switching. Clear the game's local data between account switches, and space out account activities to appear natural. Mobile Legends operates a sophisticated server system distributed across Singapore, the Philippines, Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, and Vietnam. MLBB typically auto-selects the best server based on your IP location, and some modes allow cross-region matchmaking. Mobile Legends players benefit from proxies for accessing different national rankings, since each country has its own leaderboard. They also help with playing in region-specific events and accessing exclusive skins, reducing ping when MLBB's auto-routing picks suboptimal servers and squad play across regions. To set up a proxy for MLBB, install a SOX 5 proxy app on your mobile device, configure it with proxy details for your target country, and launch Mobile Legends. The game will detect your proxy location and connect to the appropriate server. Verify your server in the game's network display. Your rank may not transfer when connecting to different regional servers. Some events are only available in specific countries, and a proxy lets you participate. Certain skins and collaborations are region exclusive, and competitive play requires connecting from the correct region for tournament eligibility. Mobile game bandwidth requirements vary across all three games, with Free Fire being the lightest due to its design for lower-end devices. To minimize the performance impact of proxy usage, use a proxy app that supports UDP pass-through to avoid encapsulating UDP packets in TCP. Connect to the closest proxy node. Disable the proxy for non-gaming traffic and only route game traffic through it. Use mobile data with a mobile proxy for the most natural-looking connection. And keep your proxy app updated for performance improvements. Running a proxy app increases battery drain. Disable the proxy when not gaming. Use battery saver mode for the proxy app. Consider playing while plugged in during extended sessions and close unnecessary background apps. If your ping increases after connecting through a proxy, the proxy server may be overloaded, so try a different server. Your proxy location may be too far from the game server, so match locations more closely. Your mobile network may have poor routing to the proxy server, so try Wi-Fi instead. The proxy protocol may be adding overhead, so ensure you are using SOX 5. Disconnections during mobile gaming through a proxy can result from an unstable mobile network, so move to an area with better signal. A proxy timeout means you should increase session duration in your proxy settings. Close other VPN or proxy apps to resolve conflicts and disable automatic Wi-Fi or cellular switching on your device. If the game connects to the wrong server, verify your proxy IP is in the correct country using an IP checker. Clear the game's cache and data, or reinstall the game while connected to the proxy. Check if the game uses a different method for region detection, like phone number or SIM card. Downloading game updates through a proxy is slow. For large updates, disconnect from the proxy, download the update over your regular connection, reconnect to the proxy after the update completes, then launch the game. If you are competing in esports tournaments, verify that proxy usage is allowed under the tournament rules. Most tournaments require you to play from the correct region. Use proxies to practice on tournament servers, not to circumvent regional eligibility. Some tournaments use LAN setups where proxies are not applicable. Players using proxies to access different servers for rank grinding should note that ranks do not transfer between servers. Matchmaking quality may differ across regions. Peak hours vary by region, affecting queue times and match quality, and some regions have more competitive player pools at certain ranks. Proxies are a powerful tool for mobile gamers in Southeast Asia, offering ping reduction, server access flexibility, and account management capabilities for PUBG Mobile, Free Fire, and Mobile Legends Bang Bang. Mobile proxies are the natural choice for mobile gaming since they use the same type of IP addresses that mobile gamers normally connect with. Data research tools Mobile Proxy Network across Southeast Asia provides the geographic coverage needed for these three games, with proxy nodes in Singapore, Thailand, the Philippines, Indonesia, Malaysia, and Vietnam. Their SOX 5 support and sticky sessions ensure stable connections suitable for competitive gameplay. Set up your proxy using a SOX 5 proxy app on your device, test your connection in a practice mode, and enjoy a better mobile gaming experience. That's everything for today on proxies for PUBG Mobile, Free Fire, and Mobile Legends. Check out our other guides at dataresearchtools.com for more in-depth content on related topics. Until next time, take care and happy browsing.